So I ordered the foundation, concealer, the translucent loose powder, and I got a highlighter as well. So I will be reviewing all of those. So the first thing that I see is the foundation. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I've literally waited so long for this. And I have the shade Fair 25. So we'll get to that in a minute. This is the large foundation brush that they gave me for free after like you ordered over something. I don't know. So I don't know if I'll try this. We'll see. Stay tuned. Okay. This is the No Filter setting powder. I should probably call it a setting powder, should I? And it comes in this super plain, cute. I am a little like nervous about how small these are, but like they are really cheap. So this is the No Filter concealer. Okay, we'll just pop that out of its case. I have used a concealer before, so they're like, I love it, so I'll go into detail about it, but I do already know I like this. My other shade is Fair 5, and I got Fair 8 this time because I did get a little tan. That's 3 numbers though. Ooh. Okay, well, we'll see. And then last but not least, I have the Luster Dust highlighter, and I've been really, ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really excited for that. All right, so without further ado, let's just get to testing these products, shall we? All right, so let me open up the box for the foundation because that's really what we're here for. And Fair 25, I said, was already my shade. So I'm guessing. Oh, okay, here it goes. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's apparently, it's just, it's looking a little white. Where's the beauty blender? But I feel like it'll blend out nicely. So, you know, bronzer's always a thing, and you know, I can like mix shades, so I'm not like too mad about it. It's pretty close considering that I did order it online. So let's just start with like one full squirt and see how far this will get me. Because they say it's a no filter. Ooh, this is so light. They say it's like full coverage, right? Okay, let me read the box. No explanation on the box. Cool. But okay, so we can see that is not my shade. So we'll just, okay, I'm pretty sure I'll probably go in with like another layer just because I like to be full coverage, like really full coverage. But so far, like, it's pretty good. Like, it's blending out well. I don't really have any complaints other than it's not my shade, but that was totally like my doing and not Colourpop's. So, oh my god, this is so white. Oh my god. Please don't rush me. So this is the No Filter Concealer in Fair 08. And I love this concealer. I use it on everything. Alright, so once that is all blended out, we are now moving on to the No Filter setting powder, which is really what I'm looking forward to because I've used Airspun for like, I think always. I don't think I've ever like used a different loose powder, and it's never like done me dirty, so I like it. So I'm going to take like an EcoTools powder brush. I think this is a powder brush. I've been using it as a powder brush. So I am just going to, ooh, I like that it has a little sticker. Okay, cool. What powder doesn't have a sticker on top of it? All right, so we're just going to, I'm gonna just take some and pop it right in the cap. It's a little yellow to me, which is fine. I mean, I'm acting like I'm a professional and I know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go and just set my face with this. And hopefully this will darken it. Like, I'm hoping this shit oxidizes because it's not cute. Oh, okay. It's getting a little darker. I like it. Like, I don't know if you can see, and I'm not trying to zoom in. But we'll see what the flashback is like and everything. I really hope I remember to do that. So, okay, I don't mind this. Now we're gonna move on to just bronzing. So I'll just skip through all of that because you're not here to see that, you're here to see a review. So I'll be back in a second. Without further ado, I'm really excited about the Luster Dust highlight. I've actually been wanting to get one of these for a very long time, but I just never got around to it. And I'm hoping that like this shade isn't gonna be too dark for me because I got the shade Strobe Globe, and I'm just going to tap some of this in there. Oh, okay, well, it's kind of hard to get out. Oh, okay, there it goes. So I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand, and if needed, I'll put like a liquid highlight down just to see. But so that's what it looks like on my fingertip. I really don't want to be one of those cringy girls to be like this, but ooh, okay. So I'm just gonna, I mean, okay. I don't even think that needs, I think that's good. Oh my goodness. Well, okay, Colourpop. All right. So I'm just gonna take my M501 brush from Morphe. We're just gonna take some of this product, tap some of it off, and just go to town. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, that's really good. Okay, it is like just like a little darker because I can like see where it is on my skin, but I also feel like that's just because of how light my foundation is. So, but that is, oh my gosh. Okay, I love highlight like you would not believe. Like, that is like my favorite thing to do. And oh my gosh, my cheek looks like wet right here. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's just some Cupid's bow, my chin. I'm gonna take some and just slap it there. Ooh, I might have to take some powder to that, or not. Like, I mean, who cares? Who cares? I'm not really going anywhere. I'm gonna put some powder on that just to blend it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my fingertip and just put some on my nose. Okay, wow. Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, there. Hold on, I need a little, I love a good nose highlight. Like, I love a good nose highlight. Okay, I really like this, like, a lot. Okay, Colourpop. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't use this. I didn't even think I was going to. I think I might use it to like put face masks on or something, 'cause I just don't see how people do this as a foundation brush. So yeah, but other than that, I am floored. I love this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna set it with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. We're just gonna shake it up and little, I love the way that feels. And then I like to go in with rose water because I'm just extra. So okay, to really set it, the foundation, that was my fault. It is too light. I think that like I just went to the beach, so I am tan. So like once it gets to more like, once I go back to my pale ways, I think this will be a good shade for me. I think I might order a different one, like a lot darker, because y'all saw how dark it was. But I love it. Like the concealer blended out really well. The highlighter I think is the one that I'm most impressed with. I do love the eyeshadow palette. Really, all in all, Colourpop, y'all did that. Good for that. I love it. Oh my gosh. All right.